So we're going to be writing an equation from a table. This one's going to be one of your homework ones, but it is going to be one that there is a value of 0 on the x table of values. For right here, if you do not have these notes or did not complete them all the way in the class, go ahead and pause the video so you can get steps 1 through 3. All right, for steps 4 and 5, go ahead and make sure yours is all correct, or that if you need to write them, pause the videos and go ahead and get steps 4 and 5 down. In the previous video, I did number 5. There is 2 number 5, so I did the first one where the table of values did not have an x where it equals 0. This one will. So let's go ahead and steps 1 and 2 in your notes is talking about how to use the slope formula. Just as a quick reminder, as you can see up here in the corner, it's y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, okay? I'm going to be using that here. So step 1 says to pick 2 order pairs and label them correctly. x1, y1, x2, y2, okay? We're going to be using this to calculate our slope. y2 is 2 minus y1, which is 1. x2 is 0 minus negative 2. See how that goes? 0 minus, because that's in the formula, negative 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, so I'm put that there. However, I see a double negative. Keep, flip, change. That went from a double negative to a positive 2. So my m is equal to 1/2. Now in step 3, it says, see if the table of values has it where 0, x equals 0. In this case, it does. So that's my y-intercept, 0, 2. The value of y is going to be my b, which is 2, right here. I can write the equation now that I have an m and a b. Y equals m x plus b. My m is 1/2. Put my x and my b. So read your stuff carefully and make sure you're checking off your notes as you're going along so you make sure you know what you're doing. Good luck.